Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. Recently, a lot of people have been asking me about my skincare routine, so I've decided to make a video on it. I'm a big skincare person. I have tried a lot of products and I have been able to review amazing products for you guys. So I'm going to share with you complete product details and its benefits. The first one is Hylu Gel Moisturizing Gel for Oily Skin. To be honest, this is one of my favorite product from this lot, and that's the reason I'm talking about it first. This is one of the best moisturizer gel for oily acne prone skin I have ever used. I mean, Hylu Gel has hyaluronic acid, which is very beneficial to tighten your skin, and apart from hyaluronic acid, other benefits of this product is it has non-sticky base, free from color, fragrance, it is non-comedogenic, and it is totally cost effective because it is excellent spreading ability. And guys, don't worry if you have like sensitive skin, because it's suitable for sensitive skin as well. This product works best in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you're 25 plus, then you should definitely give this product a try. Second one is C Block Physical Sunscreen. No matter what, I have never skipped my sunscreen. At least I have learned to do that now. You may be wondering that not using sunscreen can cause premature aging, right? So nowadays I'm using this chemical free sunscreen gel made with 25% zinc oxide. So you guys, it contains 25% zinc oxide, which is mineral. I mean, I'm a huge fan of mineral sunscreen, which provides the safest and most effective protection against UV rays. It has PA triple plus and both UVA as well as UVB coverage, and it has SPF 50 plus. It's water resistant and 100% paraben free. I prefer this kind of sunscreen because I have oily skin, and this one is best for those who have oily skin. You can see that it has a sort of like gel based product coming out of it, so it will not give you any kind of sticky or oily feeling after applying. Personally, I have experienced lot less breakout after using any mineral sunscreen, and this one is best. It has very smooth and beautiful texture, gets easily absorbed into the skin, and it has this amazing feature that it is downtime is zero, meaning you can directly step out after applying it. You don't have to wait for like 10-15 minutes like other sunscreen product advise you to do. The third one is Lips Moisturizer with SPF 15. I'm using this fragrance-free lip moisturizer for chapped, dry, cracked lips daily. It has non-waxy feel and it is non-irritant base. It rehydrates, heals, protects lips from sun rays as well. And guys, it is totally paraben free, so I would recommend that you guys at least check it out. This moisture enriched formula soothes and conditions your lip, keeping them healthy, looking soft in all weather. Next one is Ethiglow Skin Whitening Face Wash. So this one is Skin Lightening Creamy Face Wash with its deep cleansing facial foam. It helped me reduce my blemishes effortlessly, lighten my skin tone. By that I mean it helped me get rid of my pigmentation. It is made with special formula with milliglobules that cleanses skin and works on improving your complexion. This product is paraben free, so worth trying. Just look at this creamy texture of this face wash. I'm just loving this. Last but not least, it has Chocolate Scrub, the best skin rejuvenating scrub made with cocoa and almost smells like chocolate too. As you all know, chocolate is full of antioxidants which not only enhances your skin's appearance but also protects your skin from sun damage. So guys, my skin is constantly exposed to pollution, dust and harmful UV rays which made it appear lifeless. With this chocolate scrub, my skin now looks fresh and rejuvenated. Penetrates deep into the skin and removes all the dirt, leaving you with clean and clear skin. Use this scrub twice a week only. I find skin clean, clear and extremely moistured after using these products. I got this from eMegaMart Beautifully Perfect. If you're looking for healthy skin, eMegaMart is totally dedicated to helping every person look their best at all times. It offers wide range of products for dry, oily, combination skin, sensitive skin, you name it. It also offers products from hair care, anti-aging, skin lightening solutions. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go on and buy this product now. You can also get them from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, ShopCloud. So they also sell them on their own website, which I will just mention here on the screen somewhere. That is it for today. I will see you in my next video.